Okay, let's take a look at question 7. This is not a very difficult question. You can totally do it. Okay, it says use the graph below to answer the following question. How many more laps did Sabri run than Gary and DeAndre? So let's take a look of the graph. We find Sabri here at the very far right side. How many laps did he run? Oh, 12. The other two person we must find out is Gary and DeAndre. Gary and DeAndre. How many laps did DeAndre run? 8. How many laps did Gary run? 4. So the question wants us to know how many more laps did Sabri run than Gary and DeAndre? The word "and" here should tell you or signifies addition to you. So you add Gary's and DeAndre's laps and compare it with Sabri's. So in this case, Gary ran 4, DeAndre ran 8. So we do 4 plus 8, which equals 12. We're going to compare that to Sabri's 12, right? If we do 12 subtract 12, the answer is what? 0. So did Sabri run any more laps than Gary and DeAndre? No, he didn't, right? They ran exactly the same amount. Let's look at our answer choices A, B, C, and D. Where do you see 0? A. That is why A is the correct answer. Let's take a look at number 8. Number 8 states, use the graph below to answer the following question. Mr. Wang's pet shop. How many more dogs and cats are at Mr. Wang's pet shop than fish? So, how many more dogs and cats are at Mr. Wang's shop than fish? So I'm just going to count the number of dogs and cats and then subtract fish from it. How many dogs do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many cats? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's add them together. 6 plus 7, which gave me 13. Now, how many fishes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I am going to take fishes away from dogs and cats. So I am doing 13, subtract 4, which gives me 9. This is a little trick in math. Whenever you're subtracting these two numbers, you look at the very far right side. If the number on the bottom is one larger than the number on top, then your answer choices on the bottom here should always be a 9, right? Because think about it this way, 13 minus 4. Okay, 3 smaller than 4. So we're going to borrow from the 10 here. So what is going to be 13 minus 4? You just count back 4, you get 9. This is a pretty important rule. Please remember that. Let's take a look at number 9. Number 9 states, Robin has 3 $20 bills, 2 $10 bills, a $5 bill, and 3 $1 bills. So I always like to do it this way. 3 $20 bills, right? 20, 20, 20. 3 of them. 2 $10 bills. 2 tens. A $5 bill, only one $5 bill. And 3 $1 bill is just $3. Okay? The second sentence says she would like to buy a present for her sister, which costs $99. How much more money does she need in order to buy the present? To figure this question out, we are going to have to add her money up first. So what is 20 plus 20? This is going to give us 40. 40 plus 20, that is 60. 60 plus 10, 70, plus another 10, 80, plus 5, 85, plus 3, 88. So Robin literally got $88, right? If it costs $99 to buy this present for her sister, how much more money does she need? We're going to use this 99, take away the 88 that she has. So 99 subtract 88, the answer is 11. The answer choice is A is correct. Okay, A is correct. Let's take a look at number 10 quickly. Number 10. Sabri is using place value blocks to work on a math problem. The answer to the problem he is trying to solve is, which equation is he trying to solve? Now, we have learned in the past, we know each of these larger blocks represents 100. So how many of those do we have? We have one, two, three. Three of them, right? So that's 300. And how many tens do we have? Each one of these long ones is 10. We have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8. So we know there are 80 blocks here, or 8 tens. How many single or ones do we have? We have one, two, three, 4, and 5. So we know there are 5 ones. So which one of the, I'm sorry about that. Which one of the answer choices resemble the numbers we see? 300 plus 20, that gave us 320. 300 plus 80 would be 380, plus 5 more would be 385. Now, we're looking for 385, and A is 320. Would A be correct? Obviously, no. Answer choice is B. What's 100 plus 254? Now, you know the answer here is 354. Still not the same as 385. Incorrect. C, 200 plus 184. Oh, so close. 200 plus 184 would be 384, but that's still not 385. Therefore, C is also incorrect. By process of elimination, we have come to the correct answer, which is D. Now, if I was doing this on a test, I would circle D and move on. And when I have time to come back and check my work, I would work D out. I would literally line 300 up with 85, and I would add. 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 8 is 8, bring the 3 down. 385 is the same as what we are looking for from the place value blocks. Therefore, D is indeed the correct answer. Thank you so much. Let's take another break.